Okay, perfect. Can you tell me what is this letter?
F.
F. Very good. And what sound does F make? Yeah, good. All right. Seba, can you tell me what is this letter?
H.
Good. And what sound does H make? Good. Very good. Okay, and Ella, what is this letter?
C.
C. Good. And what sound does C make?
C. C.
Good. Very good. Okay, everybody's remembering their letters now. Perfect. So let's practice some important words. Okay. These are 2-letter words, and then we're going to make 3-letter words. So let's try. Curtis, what is the orange word? Can you tell me the letters?
A. M.
A and what? This is A-T.
A. T.
Yeah, so A and T together. So let's think about the sounds. What sound does A make?
A.
Very good. And what sound does T make? T, t, t. Yeah, good. So together, let's put those sounds together. At, at, at.
At.
This word is at,
At.
at. Yeah.
At.
Very good. All right, everyone. So now let's make some 3-letter words. Okay. Ella, can you make the word thin? Thin, thin. So, very good, Ella. Excellent. Fin, fin. Very good. So, Curtis, you can see if you click the letters, you can move them around. Okay, you can move the letters. Can you try? Oh, don't move that letter. Let's leave that one here. But we're going to make another word, Curtis. Can you make the word bat? Can you make bat? Can you move the right letter? B, cat, bat. How can we spell bat? B-I-T, that's bit. That's bit. Yeah, very good, Curtis. Oh, let's practice some words that we learned last time. Okay. So, who can tell me this purple word here? What is this word? Seba? Good. Ella? Seba, what is it?
T.
The. Okay, this is a very important word. The. The. Okay. Okay, Curtis, can you repeat the?
The.
The. T-H-E spells the. Can you make a sentence with this word, Curtis? Let's make a sentence. The dog is big.
The cat is small.
Yeah, very good. There we go. There we go. All right, guys. So let's go over to the playground. We're gonna make some words, okay? So can everyone see the playground?
Yes.
All right. Everyone click the eye. Go into the characters. Click on the eye. Can you see the eye?
No. I'm on the eye.
Okay, you're in the eye. Is everyone in the eye? Okay. We're going to find some letters and some pictures today, okay? And we're going to put them on the board. Very good. Someone found letters already. And we have some secret pictures. Whoever can find a picture will get a gem, okay? So you can, Curtis, you can walk with the arrows, okay? And you can with the jump with the space
Why
bar.
can't walk? Why can't walk?
You can walk with the arrows, okay?
Whoa, I can't walk.
You can walk. Very good, Curtis. You can walk.
Let me
Don't go swimming. Oh, you went swimming, Curtis. Did you go for a swim?
Yes.
Okay, now you're back. Okay, so you can go walk around and you can find,
What?
if
What?
you can find
Again?
the pictures, see if you can find the pictures and bring them over here to the blackboard or the letters. The letters go here.
Oh, I see.
You see a
Oh,
letter
I
or a
see it.
picture?
I see
Oh,
it. I
what?
see W.
You see W. Where is W?
Here. And a cat.
In where? Are you in the castle?
I found the spell.
You found what?
Bell.
Bell.
No, the
Oh,
smell.
you took the W from welcome. No, not those letters. We're looking for red letters. Red letters or pictures. The pictures are even better, okay? If you can find a picture. Curtis, did you find a picture?
Yes, I see a cat.
Oh, very good. Okay, bring the cat over here to me. Bring the cat to me.
Here. I
Okay,
found one in the room.
very good. So, Curtis, I'm going to give you one gem. You found the cat. Woohoo! Good job, Curtis.
I don't know.
See, Curtis brought the cat. Very good.
I see another one.
Can you tell me
Letter.
you see another letter? But first, Curtis, can you tell me what does cat start with? What letter does cat start with?
C. I
Very
found
good.
C.
And you found C too. So we're going to end here. Okay. Great job, everyone. Great job. All right. Curtis, give me a high five for your first class.